So it's going to pop open the thing and build out all the slides for us right as we talk. And I've wanted to do this, Ellie, as a presentation on stage where I just go, hey guys, sorry, I forgot my PowerPoint today, but let me just pop it
Let me
open
whip
real
one
quick.
up.
Give me 30 seconds and I'll do the presentation.
That's cool.
This one is looking pretty ugly with the extensive one. So we might want to try again without all the information on it. But it is also generating all the images and quotes and icons and stuff in here
And
that
the
you'll see.
structure as well. I really like that it's all blocked into like squares and sectioned out. I think that makes it really easy to consume. And that's really cool. And the contrasts and the box outlines and everything. While that's loading, when you mentioned you did one for your client and it goes onto their website, is that integration fairly easy to set up or does it happen through Gamma? Like, what's that publishing process like?
Yeah, I'll show you that because it looks like with all this detail, it is taking slightly longer than normal. But we're on the last slide here. When I go to share it and present, there's a lot of different options. So I can
Wonderful.
obviously export this to other things, but I can publish it to a website, which is just a link. And just any other type thing they can do. You can set up a subdomain on your own website if you're technical and say this could be clients.avenue9.com and I could send everybody to it.